Hello, scholars. How are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine at home. So, scholars, today we will study chapter number 13. And the name of the chapter is Air and Water. So, let's start with our first topic, that is air. Where is air? Can you see air? No, we cannot see air, but it is present everywhere. There is air in wood, sponges, wool, plants and animals, and even in water. Scholars, we cannot see, touch, smell, or taste air, but we can feel it. Now, the question is, how can we feel air? We can feel air when a fan is switched on, when wet clothes dry without sunlight, when cool breeze blows in winter, and when hot wind blows in summer. We can feel air. Scholars, do you feel air in your house? Yes. We all need air for life. All of us need fresh and clean air for living. Okay, so to show this, let me tell you an activity. Let's do an activity. Take a small potted plant, cover it with a plastic bag. After some time, the plant will become unhealthy. The plant droops because it does not get air. Now, remove the plastic and the plant will breathe again. This shows that we all need air for life. Scholars, there are some other uses of air. There are many things around us which are filled with air. For example, rubber tires, balloons, footballs, etc. They are all used when they are filled with air. Fast-moving air is called wind. Wind helps to move many things. Like, for example, clouds move from one place to another because of wind. Wind also helps to dry clothes. Air makes a sailboat move on water. Air is also needed for burning. Now, air is needed for burning also. For this, I'll tell you one activity. Take 3 candles with the help of an adult. Light each of them. Cover the first candle with a small tumbler and the second candle with a big jar, glass jar. Leave the third candle uncovered. Now, watch them flicker. What do you see? Candle 1 will stop burning first when covered. It will use all the air trapped in the tumbler. Candle 2 had more air trapped in the big jar, so it will burn a little longer than the first one. And candle 3 was left uncovered. It will stop burning? No. It has air all around it, so it will continue to burn till the wax finishes. So, this shows that air is needed for burning also. Scholars, after air, the thing that we need most to live is water. Yes, so our next topic is water. We need water every day to do many things. Humans, plants, and animals cannot live without water. Do you know the uses of water? Water is used for cooking, for bathing, putting out fire, for cleaning, etc. Do you know from where do we get water? Scholars, we get water from ponds, rivers, wells, lakes, etc. All this water comes from rain and snow on mountains. Water is also present under the ground. We get this water from wells and hand pumps. We get water from taps in our home from all these sources. So, scholars, to live a healthy life, we should keep our surroundings clean. It will also help to keep water and air around us clean. So, scholars, here we come to the end of chapter number 13. Now it's time to do a quick recap of what we have studied in this chapter till now. So the first point to remember is air is everywhere. We can only feel it. Second point to remember is we cannot see, touch or taste air, right? We can only feel it. Third point to remember is air has many uses. Like air can be filled in many things. It helps to dry clothes. People, plants and animals need air to breathe. Fourth point to remember is fast moving air is called wind. Next point is people, plants and animals need water to stay alive. Sixth point is we use water to do many things like cooking, cleaning and drinking. And the last point to remember is we get water from lakes, pond, rivers, well, etc. So scholars, I hope you all enjoyed this chapter. A worksheet and assignment related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.